Hello, everyone. This is Ninja. Yes, it's me, your old friend Mike. Today, I will introduce which motorcycle. As you can see, this motorcycle is grading, but this grading is 207, and I can replace all set of the 131RR parts put in this motorcycle. Yes, follow my finger. You can look at the wheel. This wheel is made of the forgame anemia and the brake disco and the gold air shock. Of course, this is a brand new one. And this here is my precious baby. Yeah, look, it's a silver one, but you can see this very colorful and very beautiful. And as you can see, this is one piece. This is one piece and have a logo 131RR. This fader can keep you over clear. Yes, and this figure you can customize you want. And by the way, this is the middle of a pedal. This pedal can give you a more wonderful riding experience. This is the swim arm. Why I say this is the swim arm? Because this swim arm is one piece, lighter than the original one, high quality than the original one. This is a good baby, very good baby. And how about this? Yeah, you can look. This is air shock. Of course, I made it. We made it. Maybe you can get it, and I can sell it. Yeah, this light I like it. Maybe you don't like it. Don't worry. You can customize later, right? You can customize later everything you want. Okay, here. Hey, this needle part. Yeah, this needle part is a titanium. Very lighter, very colorful. This letter I can give you a black, silver, colorful, and gold. Everything like gold. Oh, right? Yes? Okay. Yes. This exhausted I can make it. And this exhaust can make your engine has more powerful, the sound and more louder and deeper. Someone say, what is this? This is the air clean. This air clean much for the exhausted. This one and this one compare is 1%. It's 100% good. Okay. Besides, I gave this motorcycle is red. It's a red body cover. It makes the motorcycle more colorful and more beautiful. That's it. Do you forget? Remember, friend, freedom is a firmer canvas. Classical can also be reborn. Okay, amigo. See you next time.